Hello friends, welcome back. In this OpenCV session, we will understand clearly how to detect a face in a video stream and then how to detect the smile. If you are detected and if you are not smiling, there will not be smile detected. If you are detected and if you are smiling, smile and face both will be detected. I repeat, I am going to detect the face with a bounded box and then I am going to also detect your smile. If you smile, that will be detected separately, and this is all done with ease. I'm going to show you the demo after I explain you the code, and this can be done with ease. Now, what are all the primary things that you need to do? You need to, as usual, as regularly we do, we need to import the CV2 and NumPy, and most importantly, get all this preliminary stuff done. We are having something called as hair cascade, and you need to download that XML files which are available in multiple Git links. I have also got that in my Git, so you can download all the hair cascade XML files for different reactions. For example, face detection, smile detection, eyes detection. All these are already available there, and you need to just pull it and download it in your local directory. It will be very easy for you if you keep it in your local directory, and I prefer you to do that. That's what I have done right now, and we are going to go through the code step by step. I've imported it. Now comes the loading cascades part. I have got hair cascade frontal face default XML and then hair cascade smile.xml. I have downloaded that and I have kept that XML files which are available by default in my directory. You can see that for eye, for frontal face, for all the reactions that we have for human reactions, human detection, this is all very useful and it's already available. You can download it and just keep it in your local directory. I have used the frontal face default.xml and hair cascade smile.xml. I'm going to detect the face as well as I'm going to detect the smile. That's it. Now let's get to a function that I have written. The detect, gray and frame are the arguments, where the face cascade detect multiscale is the one that is going to get the task done, and you can see that it is going to iterate through each of the faces which are available in the screen. Whatever screen we are having through the webcam, we are getting detected, right? It is going to detect that and it is going to identify and iterate through each of the faces, x y, which means top, left, bottom, right are the coordinates that we need to look into, and then it will start putting a box over there. It will start putting a rectangle box over there, and with that we will be able to identify. Similarly, for smiles also, it will identify if you are smiling and it will mark a box over there, and that rectangle box will be able to identify if you are smiling or not. That will represent if the smile is there or not. Now that's the simplest thing that we have done by passing the arguments gray 1.3 and 5, and now you can see that x, y, w, h, these four are nothing but four integer values which represent the rectangle coordinates for the bounding box. Remember, these are the coordinates. Now that's what I'm highlighting right now, x, y, w, h, and when I'm putting it in the for loop and I'm getting in, I draw the rectangle for the face, and then what is the next step? I'm going to go through if the smile is also there in that face using smile underscore cascade. You can see that smile underscore cascade will detect if there is smile in the face, and if there is smile it will also be detected, and there will be a bounding box for it also. That's it. We will return the frame. Now this is the main code from where we are calling it. So we capture the video with video capture, and you can see that the return and frame with cap.read. This is the regular method that we use to capture the real-time video feed. And then what do? We need to call the method called as detect that we have explained just now. I have explained you the complete function just now, and that's nothing but the detect. I pass the gray and the frame as argument. The gray is nothing but I converted the input frame to a gray. BGR to gray conversion happens, and only then it can be processed as usual. So what happens here? We are sending the gray and frame as arguments, and that's it. Once it is done, the function will be called, and if there is smile, if there is face detected, we will get that as the resultant window using cv2.im show, and that's it. It will wait until you close it. Once everything is done, you can kill and destroy all the windows. It's very simple, and I hope I explained you that neat. And we are going to see the demo for it right now, and you will see the demo. I am just clearing my screen off, and see to that I am running the code, and I'm not smiling right now. Now I'm smiling. You can see that the bounded box is available for the smile also. I'll try to change my reactions. I'm getting the webcam a little closer. Now I'm smiling. You can see that the face is detected. Now the smile. no smile. So that's very simple and effective, right? So you can try it out on multiple options are available with this. So use the hair cascade and it's very easy for you to do some simple projects with this. And I hope it was useful. Remember, you need to identify the faces. You need to draw the bounding box. You need to identify the smile. You need to draw the bounding box. That's all. It's very simple. Hair cascade functions are already available for it. You need to just use the XML in your corresponding directory. And with that, we can get this done. This is easy. And I hope you understood it. Thank you.